Introducing the TG7100 Broadcast Control Panel, a flexible and intelligent audio broadcasting solution designed for multi-zone public address systems. Built for reliable performance, the TG7100 delivers essential broadcast features with support for multiple audio sources and emergency functions. Key features: 3 start modes, auto, manual, and contact input. Multiple audio inputs, emergency broadcast, U-disc, mic, and external line inputs. 10-level cascaded power amplifiers. LED indicator for emergency broadcast. 128 by 64 LCD display. Technical specifications: rated voltage, 24 VDC. Operating current, less than or equal to 500 mA. Standby current, less than 100 mA. Maximum recording length, 9 hours. Supporting zones, up to 210. Communication mode, RS485/CAN. With its flexible start modes, multiple audio inputs, and support for up to 210 zones, the TG7100 provides reliable broadcast control for smaller to medium-sized installations, whether for daily announcements, background music, or emergency alerts.